Keep dryer vents short and as straight as the house layout allows to protect performance and reduce fire risk. When planning dryer vent routing in house construction, follow the thumb rule that the total equivalent length should not exceed 25 feet unless the dryer manufacturer specifies otherwise. Equivalent length means adding the actual length of straight duct, plus an additional 2.5 feet for every 90-degree elbow and 1.25 feet for every 45-degree bend. Prefer rigid, smooth interior metal ducting over flexible foil or plastic types because rigid ducts have lower resistance and collect less lint. Position the dryer as close to an exterior wall as practical and run the vent with the fewest turns possible, keeping transitions to short, seal joints using foil tape or mechanical clamps, and avoiding screws that catch lint. Terminate the vent with an exterior hood that has a spring-loaded backdraft damper and a screen that is easy to access and clean. Check and clear that hood at least twice a year. Make sure the duct slope leads outward slightly so moisture drains and does not pool inside the duct because standing moisture accelerates lint accumulation and microbial growth. 3 common mistakes are planning long runs with multiple 90-degree turns, which increases equivalent length and reduces airflow, using flexible plastic or foil ducting, which traps lint and ignites more easily, and terminating vents indoors or without functioning backdraft dampers, which allows lint and moist air to accumulate in concealed spaces. For long runs, reduce equivalent length by rerouting or relocating the dryer. Swap multiple 90-degree elbows for long sweeping 45-degree bends where possible, and if you cannot meet the 25-foot equivalent limit, consider installing a booster fan rated for lint-laden exhaust and follow the manufacturer instructions for its placement. Replace flexible ducting with rigid metal pipe and secure joints with foil tape and clamps, replacing any plastic boots or transition pieces at the dryer. Finally, always end the duct at a dedicated exterior hood with a working backdraft damper and make that hood accessible for cleaning. Check the run for leaks and clean the duct annually or more often for high use to maintain safe airflow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project information that specifically addresses proper dryer vent routing so users can discuss options and ask practical questions. We host a discussion community where our members and contractors share routing tips, product experiences, and local code concerns, helping both homeowners find contractors and contractors find work.